Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Basit and you are watching Basit Cars Unboxer. In today's video, I am going to unbox Suzuki Alto made by Tomica. First we have to remove its plastic wrap. Its front is much similar to the Alto. It has a Suzuki badge in the front. But it does not have a side mirrors. It has a Suzuki badge in the at the back and Alto badge also in the on the trunk. It has a openable trunk. It has a moving shocks as well, as you can see. So I am going to do a little comparison with Alto, Corolla and Civic. These all are 1:64, but there are different brands like uh, Corolla is Valley and Civic is made by Hot Wheels and Tomica. Alto is made by Tomica as well. So I think this is it for today video. So this is it for today video. Hope you like it. So like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Till then, goodbye.